What do we have here? What are you guys doing?
Skydiving.
Mom's birthday.
Skydiving for Mom's birthday. Happy birthday to you. Cool. So whose idea was it?
Hers.
It was your idea.
Yeah.
All right.
I even waited a week to get the reservations to see if she chickened out. It didn't happen.
Right on. That's awesome. So are you guys excited?
I am.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Are you nervous?
Nope.
A little.
She's just crazy.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, we're about to go up real high and come down real fast. Hope you're ready.
Oh, yeah.
High five.
I'm ready.
Woo! All right, this is all right. Are you guys ready?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well, we're about to go up and come down. Let's have some fun.
All right.
All right. High five. You guys just jumped out of an airplane.
Yep.
How you
Mom's
feeling?
birthday.
What was your favorite parts?
Everything.
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 Yeah.
Totally different.
Yeah. Would you come out and do it again?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's what we like to hear.
Yes.
Thank you guys for jumping with us.
Woo!